A simple fact of living in space, your bones and muscles can get weaker. Now that's because you feel less gravity pulling down on you than it does here on Earth. What do you think happens when you don't use your muscles or experience weight on your bones every day? I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're going to train like astronauts to stay strong, on Earth and in space. We'll do two of my favourite strength exercises, squats and push-ups. Now you don't need any equipment, just your body, a little space and a bottle of water nearby. Let's get ready to move. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Pretend you're sitting down in an invisible chair. Bend your knees, arms out in front, back straight, and don't let your knees go past your toes. And then stand back up. That's 1 rep. Let's try 10 squats together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5, 10. Well done, guys. Now, take a short break, grab a sip of water, and get ready to do our next move. Lie on the ground, hands under your shoulders. Push up with your arms until just your hands and toes touch the floor. And now lower back down. If it's too tough, try half a push-up with your knees down. Just remember, don't lock out your elbows. Let's go for 10 push-ups together. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice straight backs. 5. Keep your back nice and straight. Can you see my bums up in the air? A little bit, good. 6, 7, 8. Nice straight backs. Straight back. If you can't keep your back straight, put your knees on the ground. You'll find it easier. 9 and 10. There you go. Have a little break. In space, we feel weightless. So we need special machines that add resistance to help us do strength training. Now pretend you're in a space gym on the moon, squatting in slow motion or doing push-ups in low gravity. Astronauts need to stay strong to keep their bones and muscles working in space, as Earth's gravity is not there to help. This is why we need to exercise for 2 hours every day up there. Could you train for 2 hours in space? You've got this, space explorers. Happy training.